Ajit Pawar has made an emotional appeal, and this is at a time, remember, hours now to go for Maharashtra election day, and now Ajit Pawar's mother joining the Baramati campaign, and he says, "Mere saath maa hai." This is clearly, remember, a filmy dialogue here that's coming in where Ajit Pawar, and this is at a time, remember the whole factionalism that has happened as well. In many ways, it is the family that has been divided into two as well. Ajit Pawar, now with the faction that he has, which is the Mahayuti, he's been campaigning. And he has said that, Mere paas maa hai. This is interesting because at a time when he says, Apne Ajit ko assembly bhejo, he's making it personal. This is NCP versus NCP, where clearly there is this Pawar play as well. And the memorable dialogue from Diwar, if I'm correct, where he says, Mere paas maa hai.
मी माग थोडासा एकटा पडलेलो होतो, परंतु यावेळेस माझी आई माझ्या बरोबर आहे. यावेळेस माझ्या बहिणी माझ्या बरोबर आहेत. मी एवढं काम केलं, मी एवढं सगळं सांगितलं, तरी देखील बारामतीकरांनी मला लोकसभेला झटका दिला की नाही. जोर का झटका, लेकिन धीरे से लगा. लगा. पण त्यावेळेस त्यांनी ठरवलं होतं सुप्रियाताईंना लोकसभेला आणि विधानसभेला दादा. आता ते ठरवलंय, ते तसं करा. आता तुम्ही जेवढ्या जास्त मताधिक्याने मला पाठवाल तेवढे जास्त निधी हा अजित पवार बारामती करता आणेल.
All right, Vidya joining me for the latest. Okay, so Vidya, he said that dialogue in Marathi. Let's go with that, not perhaps in typical Shashi Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan way. But nevertheless, why this emotional appeal, do you think, has come from Ajit Pawar? Do you think there's a strategy, intention at play here?
Of course, you know, on the last day of campaigning, bringing his mother was a trump card for him. Remember, it's not just the NCP which is in the faction. You know, there are two different factions of the party, but the parivar, the family itself, has been split into two. With you know, Yugendra, who is the person contesting against Ajit Pawar. Remember, Yugendra has Sharad Pawar, Supriya Sule, his own parents. Then the entire clan, Pawar clan, seems to be with Yugendra, the candidate of the SP-NCP. However, if you look at the other side, Ajit Pawar does not really have many of his friends and family members along with him. He is trying to get his entire identity just by himself. The way Sharad Pawar had once started, Ajit Pawar is on his own right now. And just to show that he does have his family support, he's brought his mother. And of course, as he said, Zor ka jhatka dheere se laga. But like the fact that, remember in Lok Sabha, I had put my wife up for a candidature. Though you did not let her win, I got that entire shock. But what you had promised earlier, that you will send Supriya Sule in the Lok Sabha and me in the assembly. Now keep your promise, and that's what he's telling his followers, that keep your promise and make sure that I win by a huge margin. So
and to say that, yes, and Vidya, to say that the mother is with me, can that also possibly make a difference and connect to the voters? Hours to go, Vidya is tracking all the latest on the ground. And 24 hours later, people of Maharashtra will decide who they want to be represented.